Do you want to make a balloon flower bouquet just like this one, using only long balloons? In this video, I will show you how to make balloon flowers step by step and turn them into a complete bouquet. Here are the items needed: mixed color long balloons, scissors, and air pumps. Choose one color of long balloons for the main flower. Stretch the balloon fully, then inflate it using an air pump. Tie the bottom of the balloon and gently press along the entire balloon through the air pressed evenly. This makes the balloon easier to bend and twist later. From bottom, leave a small gap. Then twist the balloon. Fold it over and twist again. Keep repeating this folding and twisting process until you have about 7 small sections. These sections will form the flower petals. Once you are done, bring the balloon around to form a loop and tie the last 2 sections together. Leave one section out of the tie. Now twist the balloon again at the same point where you twisted earlier. And fold all the petals side by side. Take one section you left out and wrap it around the center of the flower to hold everything together. Cut off the excess balloon to release the air. Then wrap it once more around the center. And that's your main flower. Next, we make the center of the flower. Take another color of long balloon, stretch it fully, and inflate it with the air. Take a small section at the bottom of the balloon, fold it and twist it to create a small loop. Insert this loop into the center of the flower we just made. Make sure it sits right in the middle. Repeat these steps to make as many balloon flowers as you want for your bouquet. Now let's make the balloon ribbon. Take another long balloon, stretch it and inflate it. Loop the bottom part of the balloon, press it flat and twist it. Do the same at the top of the balloon, but make this loop smaller, similar to the flower center we just made. Fold both ends of the balloon and twist them together until the ribbon shape is tight and secure. Once the ribbon balloon is done, gather all the balloon flowers together. Use a long balloon to wrap around and tie all the flowers securely into one bouquet. Take the balloon ribbon and tie it to the side of the bouquet using the same long balloons. Cut off the excess balloon, adjust the bouquet shape, and your balloon flower bouquet is complete. And this is the final result: a full balloon flower bouquet made entirely from long balloons. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more balloons and DIY tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.